The Jungle Warm-Up Run, an exergame with coach-guided dynamic game elements. Warming up is generally known to be important to physically and mentally prepare athletes for intensive efforts. When applying the correct technique, warm-ups are widely accepted to prevent injuries. However, most athletes do not warm up at all or follow a wrong procedure when they don't have a professional coach available. A main contribution of this work is an online survey with 446 participants. We assessed general warm-up habits and investigated the use of gamification in this domain. The results show that the majority of athletes do not warm up before working out. The prevailing explanations reach from warm-up being boring and not having time for it to missing knowledge of the procedure. Based on the insights of the first study, we designed and evaluated an exemplary exergame for warm-up guidance in a user-centered design process, which involved a fitness expert. The individual game elements have been created interactively based on exercises demonstrated and recommended by the coach. We conducted a user study in which we compared the classical coaching approach using video instructions to our proposed warm-up exergame. We asked the participants to follow the warm-up procedure, either induced by the exergame or the video instructions, until they felt properly warmed up. This footage shows a test user in the exergame condition. Game elements are combined at runtime, following basic principles for warm-ups of sports science, such as increasing intensity and coverage of all muscle groups in a human body. In the looping video condition, the participants had to follow the instructor's movements in a typical course setting. The order and type of exercises has been the same in both conditions. As a result, the desired effect of a warm-up, an increase in the range of motion in most joints, was present in the exergame as well as in the video condition. Furthermore, the exergame condition led to a significantly longer warm-up duration than in the video condition. The participants did rate the exergame higher on the physical enjoyment scale and achieved higher relative maximum heart rates. At the same time, the perceived exertion on the Borg scale was not significantly different. Overall, we think coach-guided dynamic game elements are a viable approach to be used in warm-up exergames for sport-specific exercises and are ready to be field-tested with regards to long-term effects in future work.